So I'm done with the earrings, the bracelets, the necklace. What remains in the jewelry set is beaded slippers, cufflinks, brooch, and finally the bag. Hello guys, this is Sean from Beading Crush, your number one girl that talks about beads, beading business, and everything beading. So in this topic today, we are going to walk you through on how to work on the beaded slippers. As you know earlier, we started with shades of brown, and of course that is what we are going to use to maintain cohesiveness of this entire jewelry project. Our beaded project, which is the beaded slippers, is very easy and simple to get. The first thing you need is to get your beading template, work on your beaded template. After that, then you now get your shoe materials and work with that. So for a beginner, you do not need to spend so much money to get all the things you need to make the slippers itself. Just go ahead, get a working slippers that you can buy. You have the ones you wear to the bedroom, your bedroom slippers. Get that one. So you're going to also need a scissors that you use to cut. Then you're going to get a template of your shoe size. Here's a template of that. So you trace your leg. After tracing it on the paper, then you now attach to it, cut out the shape, then you now attach the beading template, the top that you made with your bead, and then you are almost about completing your beaded slippers. Lest I forget, you need a support for this slipper so that as you are done with your beading slipper, it will not only be for display alone. You have to have a support that will ensure you wear the slippers for a very long time, and then you add your signature piece to it too while you're working. So let me just walk you through this whole project because it is quite simple. First of all, for this project I'm going to work with a right angle weave. As I told you earlier, if you have seen most of my videos, I work with right angle weave, and that is my easiest, my simple, my favorite go-to beading technique I always employ. So I use the right angle weave to make a triangle shape as my beading topper. So after making it, and I use as usual my beading thread. After using my beading thread fishing line to conclude this project, I went ahead, got my copper wire. Your copper wire is a must-have because this ensures and enhances support of the slippers. So you line the copper wire vertically and horizontally so that you now get a sole or a fabric of choice. Make sure that the fabric of choice is not silky in nature, is not slippery, is matte in nature, so that it can support and adhere. Your leg will not slip whenever you're walking. All we want is satisfaction and ease, comfort on whatever thing we're wearing, right? Yeah, I'm sure you know that. That's sorted. I need my may need a leather. If you still don't have a leather, go with a fabric of choice. I'll prefer to go with a fabric that is plain in color so that I do not limit the slippers to only one use. It will be a versatile slippers I can wear for any kind of function, Get what I mean? Yes. And our intention is to make these slippers usable for a bride. Yes. In Nigeria, Nigeria is rich with culture. So we are going to, of course, make this project for a Nigerian bride. Definitely, I'm going to add some signature pieces, some lobster, and some stones and shiny things that give it off to you know reflect luxury. Yes. Basically, I'm going to use majorly my brown bead. That's my 6 millimeter brown bead. I'm going to focus on this one because I need to make the topper simple, easy, and without any crazing, so it doesn't hurt the skin. So I'm going to make it with this project, with this bead rather. After that, maybe I will line the top or any other thing with, any of the other beads that I have used earlier, or I may just leave it like this. This is cohesive enough for the entire set that I have made so far. So after doing that, I will get my, you need a shoe glue too. So I'm going to list all the things they are going to need. First on the list, you need your beads, as I said, to get your topper. Then you need a fabric. You need a bigger scissors. The scissors will really help you to cut through the zippers without too much stress. And then you need a cutter. I have a cutter here. You need a plier. If there is any need for plier, you just need to have it on ground. Then you need a shoe glue. There are two types of glue here. There is one that you heat and it will fasten with fire, and there is one that it will fasten, just allow it to dry. Then after 24 hours, it will really be um it will must have adhered strongly. You need either of the glues that you can get, go ahead and get it. If you do not want to go through all this hassle and all that, just make your topper and make your sketch your design and give it to a cobbler. Let them just fix it for you. You don't need to go into these details to do all that. But of course, and this project, we want to start it and finish it flawlessly. And these are things beginners can also use at the comfort of their home and get it sorted. Of course, as far as you have a scissors, as far as you have a glue, as far as you have a kind of support, in this case I'm using copper wire, as far as you have a fabric, then you're good to go. And that is all about it. There are few other finishing touches we want to add to it to make it really come out well. So I'm just giving you an idea of the next step of what we are going to work on, and it's really not going to take too much time because this one is a straightforward process. Once we are done with it, we'll move on to the next project in the jewelry set. So that is it for today. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. We talk about everything beads, beading, and beading business. So I do not want this video to be too long. I just want you to have fun. And do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share with your friends. Bye for now. Cheers and bye.